Welcome back guys, and in Samsung mobile one common issue which is faced by many users is flickering of the screen. If you are also facing this problem, this video is for you, and please go up to the last setting. See all the settings, only then you will get benefited. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video after watching it, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Just coming to the topic, first thing what we will do, we will go to the setting and activate developer option. If you know, you can do, but I am going to tell in this video. Just go to the about phone and then software information, then go to the build number, tap here 7-8 times your 3-step. Now enter the pattern, how many steps away. Now developer mode has been enabled, so go back to the setting and now go below about phone, developer option has come. So now go to the developer option and here go in the last and then come upside. One thing you will find after some time, disable SW overlays. Always use GPU for screen compose. So just make it on. After making it on, I think your problem make it solved. Do one setting more. Go to the settings, go to the display, and here just check what is your refresh rate. If you have any option in your phone, make it to 60. In Samsung, for checking, go to the developer mode, and here when you will go below, you will find the option show refresh rate. Here it is 60. See, 60. So just check it. If you have any option in your mobile, make it 60. And then one more thing, go to the display, not in connections, and here adaptive brightness, if it is on, turn it off. So after make these 2-3 settings, your flickering will go and your mobile will work fine. If your problem is still coming, please talk to your phone manufacturer's customer care or operators, or you can go to the repair shop also. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.